Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I will demonstrate how to create yet another stunning animated slideshow using PowerPoint. But before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more tutorials. Now, let's get started with the video. Begin by opening an empty slide and removing any unwanted elements. Right-click and select Format Background. Choose the Picture or Texture Fill option and insert a background image. Now, insert a circle and position it as shown in the video. Duplicate it and place it inside the previous circle. Repeat this process. Select all circles and fragment them. Duplicate the slide and change the background image. Insert the topic and description as demonstrated in the video. Move to the next slide and rotate the circles. Repeat this step for the remaining slides. Finally, select all the slides and add a morph transition. Witness the awesome output of your animated slideshow. Thanks for tuning into my video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content.